Hi guys, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. As you guys can see, I have most of my face on. The only thing I have left is my eyes, so I wanted to do a smoky eye for beginners, basically something very easy, very quick to do. And so yeah, that's what we're gonna do today, so let's jump right into the video, you guys. So you guys, the first thing I'm gonna be doing is picking up my Royal Affair BH Cosmetics palette. It looks like this, and I'm sorry for the mess, you guys. My daughter did that, so I'm sure you guys with daughters can. So you guys, I'm thinking of doing something very basic and simple since it's for beginners. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick up a brush like this, and I'm gonna be picking up the shade Prince. It's a very pretty brown color. So I'm just gonna apply this all over the lid. As you guys can see, instead of like rubbing it in, I'm just patting it in, because that's how you get the best result with this. Because I don't know why my eyes tend to crease like crazy, so that's what I'm doing here. Just there you go. So I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. Just pat. So we're about here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick up a big blending brush like this, and I'm just gonna slowly soften up the edges. Like so. And then I'm gonna be picking up a flat brush like this, and I'm going to be picking up a darker shade. I'm going to be picking up the shade Doochies, and it's like a dark gray shade, and I'm just going to apply it on the corner of my eyes. I'm gonna drag this shade just a little bit up to the crease, just very lightly, like so. And we're gonna blend that out later. We're gonna do the other eye before we move on. Okay, so since we're here, we're gonna grab a blending brush. I'm gonna softly blend that out, very softly. I'm not trying to bring the dark shade onto the eyelid. I'm gonna try to keep it in the crease. So something like that. I'm just gonna do the same thing here. I'm gonna go in with the shade Emperor, like a olivey orangey shade, and I'm just gonna go in to kind of blend these two shades together. I'm kind of using it as like a transition shade. So our key here is to blend, you guys, blend. So I'm gonna grab a big brush, and I'm just gonna blend. I'm using little tiny circular motions and then windshield motions and then circular motions, just to make sure the blending is seamless. So looks pretty good to me. So next step is optional. It depends on you if you want to do this. So I'm just gonna be using some glitter. So this is the Revlon Photo Eye Art. Looks like this. It's very easy to apply, you guys. So I'm just gonna open this up and I'm gonna apply it on the eyelid, the inner eyelid. The glitter on the other eye, and now we're gonna move on to the eyeliner, and yeah, we're just gonna speed through this because this is pretty easy. So you guys, I have my eyeliner on, and now some people would like to apply lashes with this look, but for me, I'm just gonna go with the mascara. So it's optional, whatever you guys want to do, whatever's easier for you. Right now for me, because I have a baby excuse me, because I have a daughter who's probably gonna be up any second, so I'm just trying to hurry this up, and I'm just not gonna waste my time with the lashes right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some mascara very quickly. Can't forget about down here. So before we move on, I'm just gonna grab a very small precise brush like this, and I'm gonna go on with the first initial shade that I used, which was Prince. I'm gonna have some on here, and I'm just gonna apply it on my lower lashes, under my lower lash line. You see how doing this step completes the look, even though we're not done yet, but like it just looks complete already. So since we're done with that, we're gonna go ahead back with the mascara and apply some on the lower lash line. And sorry about that, someone's honking the horn outside like an idiot. This is the final look. I'm just gonna come a bit closer so you guys can have a closer look. So anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notifications. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.